friends, hello, hope you are well. Yes, we are talking about Microbot Medical. Okay, so a lot of people have been asking me to cover this stock and this company, and I'm going to be honest with you, I haven't, just because I've been watching this thing for like 2 months now, and I've been very like, I've almost pulled the trigger a few times, and that's what I do want to say, that I have not bought into this company. I have not yet, at least. This is something that I am watching really close, because it's crazy. It's a crazy company. It's very futuristic, but those are things that I love. I love things that sound crazy, things that are very intense, and when most people say they're just not going to work. But obviously, we're going into the future, so, I think, something like this is going to happen sooner or later, and this might be the company to do it. So, I am not going to go into massive detail about the bread and butter of this company. When you read the name of the actual company, that's kind of what you can guess what it is there. Essentially, you can go to the website. They have a fantastic website, and it is very detailed on what they do. So obviously Microbot here, going into people's body with microbots and fixing, adding things like that. Let's talk about the money part and the stock part, and for me, what it would need to do to actually put significant money into this. So the company has already had 2 reverse stock splits, and they were a while ago actually, and they were before COVID, which is interesting. One was on one was in 2016 and one was in 2018. So a long time ago, and which is good that they were so long ago, and the company has been surviving for a while now. It hasn't been doing amazing, but it's been an okay 6 months. It's been up and down situation, and it even survived here in May when it looked like it was gonna maybe go into another reverse split. So fantastic. Now, with that, as of late, the company has been getting some news, with going ahead, trying to get FDA approval, things like that. This company has been around, but it's still struggling for a platform. It's still struggling for ground, and it's not really well known about. It's getting there, but it's just not out there. And I'm a firm believer that most companies that do well like this, they have to be talked about, they have to be known about, and when they're not, it's hard for people to go and put thousands of dollars into something like this. The actual stock itself is playing around this $3, trying to get to a $4 mark here, and it was really close on June 23rd here, when it hit almost a $3.60, which is pretty good for the stock, to be honest. That's pretty high for it. Now, will it continue to climb? For me, it's just too early. I need to see more. But friends, this is not a hit piece in any way on this company. I think it's a very unique and interesting company, and a big element that they're trying to get out there. I just, I'm not gonna lie, it's in a dangerous spot right now where it could tumble back down. It's coming off good news and it's being pushed. It's just at this point where I'm wondering if it's gonna be able to keep this $3 minimum into a $4 price tag. So for me personally, I'm looking to see what's going to continue to happen here with it. I strongly think it's something you should watch, and if you're interested in it, then you definitely should watch it. The company has been doing well on surviving. That's what it's doing. It's surviving here. But another thing with that too, this is kind of in the realm of software, but more medical than none. This is medical stocks stuff, and I have been burned many times, and I think if you've been in the market anytime, that you have been through medical stocks before, where they have really burned you, because companies get defunded, they get redirected, different, here, there, board members, CEOs, things like that, and things just, it a snap of a finger, something traumatic can happen with it. So that's why I'm always cautious when it has anything to do with medical in a stock, company wise. I'm always like, So friends, I'll continue to talk about this. I'm watching it. I've been watching it. That's, I just wanted to put this out there and say, like, yes, I see it. I'm aware of it. I'm just not sold 100% at this moment. I want to see more quarterlies. I want to see this company actually physically making money, you know, big money, and I just haven't seen enough of that as of yet. So friends, I wish you all the best of luck with this one. Let me know what you think about it. Maybe you're already in it, maybe you're doing well on it. That's fantastic. Friends, I will talk to you soon. Take care, everyone. Bye bye.